Good morning, you guys. So today is an easy breakfast for you. We're just gonna have Reese's Puffs. I love the fact that they're little bat themed for Halloween, super cute. And I also grabbed this Fruit Loops with marshmallow. It's brand new for us. I never tried Fruit Loops with marshmallow before, so hopefully my kids will like it. But yeah, this is basically what they're gonna be having for breakfast, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another breakfast idea. Waffle French toast is looking like, and they're gonna have it with some strawberries and banana and a strawberry probiotic drink. And yeah, they're all gonna have the exact same thing. They're all impatient right now, wanting to dribble on here. So I'll see y'all tomorrow for another breakfast idea. Hey you guys, so today we're just gonna have bagel avocado toast. It's absolutely my favorite, and my kids absolutely love it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like squish up all the avocados so we can have it ready for when the bagels are ready to get out. And yeah, so go ahead and just get your bagels and smear all the squished avocados on top of the bagels. Yeah, it's very simple, very easy, and very, very delicious, you guys. So there you go, something simple and easy for a delicious breakfast idea. Good morning, you guys. So for today's breakfast, we're just all gonna have some shakes, some waffles with whipped creams, and some delicious strawberries. And yeah, this is what we're gonna be having for my kids' breakfast. And I will have a link down below in the description box on how to make these shakes for you guys. So go ahead and enjoy this breakfast, and I will see y'all next time for another breakfast idea. So for today, we're just gonna have some cinnamon rolls. These are the giant ones you can purchase at Walmart, and I just added some sprinkles to give it a little cute touch to them. And yeah, we're gonna have a sweet day today, and I hope y'all do too. You guys, we had a great week. I hope y'all did too. This is a big one for you. We got some waffles, some sausage, some pancakes, and eggs and biscuits, variety of everything. So yeah, they're basically just gonna choose what they want with their toppings, of course. And I really hope you enjoy this week. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video, you guys.